Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P1148 closed loop control function bank 1 fault. The reason why you're getting P1148 is because your vehicle is stuck in open loop. When you start your vehicle will automatically be in open loop, and it is going to use pre-programmed map to run the engine. After the engine warms up, it is going to start to use sensors such as the oxygen sensor, and it is going to go into closed loop. When your vehicle is stuck in open loop, it will cause increased fuel consumption, and of course, this will affect gas mileage. That's why it is important for your vehicle to be in closed loop. When your vehicle is in closed loop, it is going to rely on sensors such as the oxygen sensor. And by relying on the oxygen sensor, it is going to get real-time data. And by getting real-time data, it can adjust the air and fuel ratio for maximum efficiency. So what causes P1148 code? The first and most common reason, it is going to be caused by a bad oxygen sensor. When the oxygen sensor starts to become lazy, caused by carbon buildup on the oxygen sensor, it can cause the oxygen sensor to send poor data to the computer. And when the computer is receiving poor data, it cannot rely on that poor data. So again, it can trigger P1148 code. Before replacing the oxygen sensor, I always make sure that there's no connection issue, and also make sure that the pins on the oxygen sensor are not corroded. Also, you need to make sure that there are no exhaust leak, because if there's an exhaust leak, the oxygen sensor again cannot function properly, and again you can get P1148 code. The next reason why you're getting P1148 code is because you're going to have either a bad mass airflow sensor or a dirty mass airflow sensor. So the mass airflow sensor has a hot wire on it, and that hot wire can become dirty. So I suggest buying mass airflow sensor cleaner and clean out the hot wire, and hopefully it will fix that issue. The next reason why you're getting P1148 code is because maybe you have a bad intake air temperature sensor. So the intake air temperature sensor is going to be located directly on the intake, or it can be built together with the mass airflow sensor. So again, most likely that part is probably not bad, and it's probably dirty. So again, I suggest cleaning the sensor. Also, make sure that there's no wire issue or connection issue as well. The next reason why you get P1148 code is because maybe you got a bad computer. When the computer starts to fail, of course, it can trigger that code. So it is important to check the connector, make sure the connector is not loose or corroded, and also make sure that the circuit board itself is not burnt as well. And one thing I like to do is I like to sniff the circuit board to make sure it is not burnt. So if you look at the circuit board, you can see that there's a burn mark right there. So that's how you know that circuit board is going to be bad. Here is a close-up view of the circuit board. As you can see, there's burn marks right there, and right there. And you look at the soldering joint, you can also see that it is burnt as well. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.